In this video, you will learn how to make a creative slide design in PowerPoint. So let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shapes, select a rounded rectangle, drag it like this. Size 8.5 cm and 8.5 cm. Rotate it like this. Duplicate the shapes, place it and set it like this. Go to Insert, click on Shapes, select rounded rectangle, drag it like this. Click on right button, send to back. Select all, go to Merge Shape, select Subtract, go to Insert, click on Picture. I have downloaded a picture from Google, select it and insert it. Click on right button, send to back. Select Shape, go to Shape Field, select Color. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Insert, click on Shapes, select rounded rectangle, drag it like this. Rotate it, click on right button, go to Format Shape, click on Gradient Field, change the color by selecting one by one. Select Liner and Direction. Duplicate the shape using Ctrl D. Select No Fill from Shape Field. Select also Width Size. Select Color using Eyedropper. Then align center and align middle. Again, duplicate it using Ctrl D and select color using Eyedropper. Then align center and align middle. Rotate it like this. Go to Animation tab, add animation, select Speed. Go to Animation pane, go to Timing, duration 5 seconds very slow until end of slide, then OK. Select and click on Animation Painter and apply on this. Go to Effect option, select counterclockwise. Go to Insert, click on Text box, write Welcome here. Select and change the font, make it bold, increase the size and center your content. Go to Format, then Align Center and Align Middle. Select this, go to Animation tab, select Start with Previous. Select color using Eyedropper. Now click on Slideshow. So, see friends, our slides looks beautiful. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.